Yeah.
They could be underage. Oh yeah, she's shaking.
I swear to God. I swear to God if this goes on YouTube, let me in.
Look at the other guy trying to pretend like he's not happy.
You gotta kind of calm down a little bit, okay?
Well, we don't know. Yeah.
We can't shut them up.
Oh God. Yeah.
Fuck!
I missed it.
Oh,
He just. Yeah.
He's gonna go take a smoke.
Yeah, done now.
Oh my God.
He's done. Oh, my job here's done.
Call me? I'll think about it. Oh, reversal. Whoa, what's going on?
Whoa. That was awesome. Doggy style here, too. They were just, oh, God. Oh, God.
Oh, they're making out. They're making out.
Oh my God. Frencher. That's a French, dude.
It's bad, dude.
Oh my God. Oh my God. That's so damn. That's so hot. They're making out.
They're making out.
They were
literally just tonguing.
Ew, they're making out. What? Making out?
Yeah.
They feel awkward. Because you're taking a picture. That's why
No,
they feel awkward.
they were having sex right now.
They were having sex?
Yeah, swear to God.
Oh, yeah, that's the male on the field. She don't want his also now. Get over. Oh, yeah. He's in your mouth. Oh, yeah. He's in your mouth. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, no.